In this video, you will learn the #1 best way to increase interactivity on your Discord server. This will be a step-by-step, no bullshit guide on how to increase interactivity in your server. Sounds too good to be true? Okay, let's make a deal. If this video is useful to you in any way, shape or form, you have to join my Discord, subscribe to the channel and like the video, okay? Have you got a deal? Come on now, have we got a deal? Come on, answer me. Okay, thank you. Now, let's get started. So I'm pretty sure you've heard of the Me6 bot, right? So recently, not too long ago actually, they added a new feature. This new feature is called the economy feature. So first things first, go on the URL and type me6.xyz. I don't know why they have xyz, but they do, okay? And it should take you to something like this screen. And then add it to your Discord. You might already have it. You probably already have it. I already have it. So I'm just going to go to my dashboard. There we go. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the economy feature. It should be the last one there. Click it. And then you'll be taken to a screen similar to this, okay? There will be a default currency icon which just looks like a coin, a golden coin, but this is my currency. It's actually my face distorted heavily. Nah, this is actually my real face. This face is distorted heavily. That's my real face. Anyways, the currency coin is called IBSs. You can just, have your own currency coin. For tutorial purposes, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not going to change it. It wouldn't make a massive difference. Okay, so when you scroll down, you can have boosts. You just give it like a time period where the coins or the faces, for example, would increase. So it's like a boost period. It's like a boost period. I don't know how else to say it. And then you have an item shop. I don't have premium. You need premium for the item shop, but for whatever reason I have 3 items on my item shop. I don't know how that happened, but as you can see here, with 50 faces you can buy a coconut. With 100 faces, my face, IBSs, it's actually called IBSs. With 100 IBSs you can buy a banana, and with 500 IBSs you can buy a gold roll. Damn. Okay, so this is where the fun comes in. There's all of these commands. Every single one of these commands is a way to increase interactivity. Let me show you how. So if you go to my server and you scroll to bot commands, you can do _coins and it will show you how many coins I have, which is 0 right now because I just set it up before making this video, literally like 2 minutes ago. Poor. Or you can do _daily, and if you do that every day, you get rewarded. I just got rewarded with 50 IBSs. Thank you for that. And if I do _shop, I can buy a coconut, and it tells you how to do it. Use shop item name or shop item ID to get details about an item. Okay, so let's see the details about the coconut that I want to buy. Shop and then coconut. And it's telling me it's a hairy fruit. Nice, very nice. Can I buy the coconut? So you do /buy and then coconut. And now I bought a coconut. Let's freaking go. That's what's up. And it's fun. The people in your server will really appreciate it. And why is Me6 thinking? You're a bot. You don't need to think, okay? And when you do _work, your character starts working, but apparently I already done it, so I have to come back in 27 minutes to start working again, and then I get a paycheck for my work. It's fun little games. And there's all of these. Look, play rock paper scissors to gain coins. Let's play rock paper scissors. /rock paper scissors. What's my choice? Rock. You chose rock. Oh, it was a tie. Please choose another. Oh, we're still playing. Paper. You chose paper. I choose scissors. Scissors win. What the fuck? How could I get beaten on my own server? Nah, this is disrespectful. Okay, so you get the gist, right? All of these commands are freaking amazing. I could play guess the number to gain coins. Okay, let's play guess the number. So /guess bet amount. How much I want to bet? I just want to bet 1. Okay, I don't want to lose my peas. Okay, you don't have enough coins to gamble this amount. Hey, what do you mean? What do you mean I don't have enough coins to gamble this amount? Wow, I guess I'm down bad, huh? I'm down bad in my own server. Okay, look, so if you do _richest, okay, you'll see who's the richest in your server, which apparently nobody's rich. Wait, here's your daily reward. I got 50 IBSs though. Come on. Did I lose it all in the... Oh, because I bought a coconut. I bought a freaking coconut. See what I mean? Now think about it. If everybody in your server starts playing this game, whoa, that's a lot of interactivity. That is a lot of interactivity. So, if you found this video useful in any way, shape or form, like I said, a deal's a deal. You gotta join my Discord, link will be in the description. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and be my friend. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked this video in any way, shape or form, hit that freaking like button and subscribe. Click on this video right here, join the freaking Discord, link in the description. What's that? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. In this video, you will learn the #1 best way. In this video, you will learn the #1. I just hit my mic. In this video, you will learn. In this video, you will learn the #1 best way. But let's be honest, that was a cool outro. That's a cool outro. Hey, just for that outro alone, you have to subscribe. And the fact that you're still watching right now, suspicious. I wonder why you're still watching. Literally, why are you still? You're probably the only person that's still watching right now. There's no other person in the whole planet that's still watching. So it's now just me and you. So how are you? Wanna go out for dinner later tonight? Hey, now you're looking fine. I like you. You smell good too. Hey, what's up? Tell me. Hey, yo, you want my number, dog? Hey, yo, let me tell you. Get my number. It's, get your phone out. Yeah, that's right. Just save my number. It's 999. Give me a ring real quick. Alright, just give me a ring. Okay, it's going through. Nice. Alright, just call me later tonight. Just call me later tonight, baby girl. Yeah.